Real estate has always been and continues to be one of the leading industries around the globe. Many of the wealthiest people in the world have gained their wealth through the use of real estate investing. Despite the news heard, it is still a good time at real estate to get involved with. I searched online for a way to meet my needs, and while there were a couple options, none had all the features I wanted. Dubcop Online was the first generation of the solution to the problem. The market naturally fluctuates and every wave must have a trough. There will be a rebound in the industry definitely after that. If you have any intention of becoming a part of the industry, it is not yet too late. Receiving an exceptional real estate education is the critical part of the process. Once you've done that, you can work in whatever capacity you choose. Do you know that there is a mind-blowing secret that most real estate entrepreneurs fail to do? We strongly urge you to read each and every word on this site http://www.bestvirtualrealestateclub.com and see how it will change your business life forever.